Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will take a look at some pretty cool effect in a website that I have seen from a website on awards.com. So this is the effect. You can see there are four elements in front of me and there are videos. So if I just hover on one of them, you can see this expands and it starts playing the video, and the color is also now colorful instead of black and white. And if I just leave the card, then the video stops or pause at the exact moment that I left it. And you can see it is a pretty cool effect that you can add in your website over here. So it looks just beautiful. You can see the color are changing from black and white to colorful, and the card is expanding. So yeah guys, we will create this exact effect in our website right now, and we will use some CSS and just a little bit of JavaScript. That's it. So let's go to the VS Code and see how you can make this effect. Alright, so I am in now VS Code, and we have a file called index.html, and I have four videos. So the first one is of this elephant, the second one is for this jellyfish over here, the third one is for like swimming pool, and the last one is of this butterfly on a flower. So the first thing we need to do is add a boilerplate. So after adding the boilerplate, let's just add some elements over here, some HTML elements. First of all, I will write the div tag, and I will give it a class of cont, so we can later style it. After that, we will make our cards. So there are four cards. So here I will write the first card and give it a name of, let's say, block, and also one more class of block1. You will see why later on. Inside this, we want to enter our video, we want to give the video, and also I will give a class of video called vid, and the src, of course, v1.mp4. so in this way, this is one of the cards. I will simply copy this down 3 more times. So as you can see, now we have 4 cards, and let me just change this one to 2, this one to 2 as well, this one to 3, 4 and 4. Alright, our HTML part is completed. Now let's style something in our CSS. So I will give a style tag over here, and here first of all I will just set the margin and padding for all the elements to 0. That's one of the necessary things that you need to do while writing any CSS. And then I will style my cont. I will write the display as flex because I want all the cards in one line. Flex, and then place items center so they are vertically aligned. Then I will give it a width of, let's say, 98 VW, so 98% of the viewport width, and then a margin of, let's say, 0 VW, 1 VW, and then 0 VW, and then 1 VW. So if you can see, the total sum ups to 100 viewport width. Let's save it, and let's see how our website is looking like right now. We will add some more CSS. So our website is looking something like this. All the videos are in one line. So yeah, so let's add some more CSS to it. Now I will target each block. So I will target this with the help of this dot, and then I will write over here width of 23.75. okay, you can write it whatever width you want, and height I will write, let's say, 80 VH. okay, then I will write a display of grid, and then after grid I will write place item center, so the video will be on the center inside this div. okay, after this I will create overflow hidden, so no video should be overflowed across this div over here. After this I will write some border radius and apply some roundness to it. So I will write over here border radius, and let's say 20 pixel, not too much round, but yeah, it will give it a like a cuter look. And then transition, this is important so that our transition is smooth, our like the changing of the width is smooth. So I will write transition. You can simply write all and then 0.3 seconds, linear 0.3 seconds. You can change the timing, it's up to you how slow or how fast you want. After that, I will also style our video elements. So video, and then transform, I will write scale of 3. So because they will be small, but we want them big. And here in the width tag, I will write 23.75. And if you notice, this is the exact value that we have given to this block element. So, and the height as well, or we can skip the height. The filter is important. So filter, I will write over here grayscale and give it a value of 1. So this is how we can get the black and white filter effect. And similarly, transition, we will also apply all linear 0.3 seconds. Alright, and we can add a hover effect of, let's say, hover effect, so that the filter should go away. I will add filter grayscale 0. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, our website is looking pretty similar that we have shown you, that I've shown you earlier. So yeah, we need some margin in between. For that, what I will write block block 1 comma block 2 comma block 3. So I am targeting all these 3 blocks, not the last one, and I am writing margin right of 1 VW. Let's save it and see. Yep, now it is looking exactly what I have shown you earlier. The only thing left is to add some JavaScript. So our CSS part is complete. So let's add some JavaScript. So come down over here, after this body tag, create a script tag, and now we will write our JavaScript. So there is not much JavaScript. So first of all, I will declare a variable called vid, and this will be the document for all our videos. So document dot query selector all. So in this way, and inside this I will give the class name of video. Similarly, I will write const bl, which stands for block, and in this I will write block. So this vid elements contain an array of all the video elements, and similarly for this bl. Here I will apply an add event listener, sorry, not add event listener, I will apply a loop for each. So we are using for each for video. So I will write over here vid dot for each. So it will just go through all the elements and apply whatever the function I will write right now. So we need 2 arguments, e and I, and it will be an arrow function here. Now I will write e dot add event listener, and I want this on mouse over, okay, because whenever we are hovering the video, it should play. So it will also take an callback function. Then I will write over here e dot play. So in this way, our video will start playing whenever I am hovering over it. Let's see it in action. I will simply this, as you can see, it is now playing, and it will keep playing because I have not written the function to stop. You can see similarly for this and similarly for all these videos. Okay, I think so. Yeah, so our play function is ready. Then I will target this block. So now we are what we are doing, we are changing the width for the block. So for each le and index, so we need these 2 arguments. Okay, for each something like this, this will be a callback function. Yep, like this. If index is not equal to I, then what we are doing, le dot style dot width is equal to 10 VW. So what we are doing right now here is, first of all, this eye, let me zoom a little bit more. This eye is the index for the video. This index is the index for the block. We are comparing that if the index, so if index is not equal to I, which means the block is not equal to that block whichever the mouse is on, we will simply reduce the width to 10 VW because that is not the main video. Else, we will write over here, else we will simply copy this down over here and we will expand it to 65 VW. So in that way we are just increasing the width. Okay, so let's see it in action. Let's see. Yep, as you can see, our function is now ready, and the only part is to pause the video whenever I am not hovering it, and to resize these cards whenever I am not hovering over it. So let's do that. After that, okay, so here I guess, yeah, so I guess here e dot add event listener, and then similarly mouse leave. Okay, mouse leave, and then similarly a callback function e dot pause. So first of all we have written over here play, now we are writing pause, and similarly b for each, and there will be a callback function with two arguments le and index, and here I will write block dot for each. I'm not right now, so yeah, le dot style dot width is equal to, and now we are just like setting all the widths to an equal which we have declared in the CSS. So we are just setting all the divs to that original width, which is 23.75 VW. Let me just copy that and paste it over here. I think we are done now. So I think, yeah, let me just zoom a little bit out over here. So yeah, I think our code looks great and it should work now. So let me just reload the page, and yep, as you can see, on hovering it is playing the video, and when I am just leaving it is just pausing at that right moment, and the size is also resizing to the original size. Yeah, so yeah guys, I think that's it for this video. I hope you like this concept, and I hope you enjoy how you can make this cool effect. And if you have some more ideas that I can make video on, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new, and I will see you in the next one.